Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. You know, all sorts of crazy stuff. Who knew? Anyways, got one today from... This came in a Zen Pop box. That's zenpop.jp. Go on there and look around and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider or Ramen Raider. I can't remember which one at this exact point. I believe it's just Ramen Raider, but try them both. You never know. And yeah, this is Chashu ramen. Kind of weird. Basically, it's a shoyu with little slices of like pepperoni-sized chashu. Not a big fan of the pepperoni-sized chashu. I have to admit, it's like. It really makes me sad, honestly. But this could be good, so I'm not gonna write it off, you know? Why would I do that? That'd be like a stupid thing to do. But here is the noodle block. And here is the chashu and the smattering of veg. And then here is the actual base, which will hang out until it's had its 3 minutes of fun. So let's put this here. I want to make sure everything gets at least a little bit of liquid on it before I put a lid on it. Like to flip the noodle block. I mean, it's no problem. You can totally do this in a pot. Doesn't make the gods angry. In fact, I'm sure they're like, ooh, you're doing it in a pot. So, yeah, and 3 minutes. So, here we go. So, what's new? Got the music back. I remembered that. I was talking about vaping last time. But no, I wasn't. Because when you see this, there'll be an episode between that. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, getting closer to Christmas on my end of the time-space continuum. There's going to be a new Star Trek show that has Captain Picard in it. I'm like, come on, bring it. Just put all the episodes out. Make it free. Make it an entitlement. I feel like I've watched enough Star Trek. I'm entitled to get to see that, like, I'm entitled to be on Star Trek. I've watched so much. Yeah, I want to be on Star Trek. Better yet, I want to go into outer space. Now, I already did this on the chocolate break, which I think that episode will probably come out about the same time as this one does, maybe earlier. I don't remember. Oh no, it was on the episode that will have come out. Yeah, because we reviewed those little chocolate bottles that have the booze in them, and on that one I announced my candidacy for president in 2024. So yeah, I want to be president. I started my diet. I'm getting all worked up to be president. My plans as president would be the following. Have a Department of Happiness. Why not? Stiff penalties on people for being a jerk. I mean, it's like if you go up to somebody and just go like, a cop can go just like, oh no, that's a federal crime now. You can't be a jerk, sir. Or ma'am. Require people... See, now this is one that might be kind of like weird. Require people to take a class about voting and about everything about voting and all that before they are allowed to vote. It's like, if you want to vote, you got to take a class. Which I think is fair. I mean... Look at it this way. To become an American citizen, if you're a foreigner, you have to do a lot of studying. You have to know all this stuff about the Constitution and this and that. I guarantee you, those people know way more about Constitution, Bill of Rights, Declaration of Independence, all that stuff than most of the locals here. Because we find it boring. They find it like, ooh. This is why we want to move here. Okay, how am I going to do this? Do you know? I'm going to use this little cup. Because what I want to do is it has 3 slices of Chashu. And I want to display those nicely. Now I have to find them. There we go. Sometimes do that too. But I mean, it looks like either pepperoni or Canadian bacon, and this totally looks like Canadian bacon. I mean, granted, Canadian bacon's pork, but you know. I would give it a nice stir. Oh, if I were president, I'd make it illegal as president to lie. That'd be something. Where'd it go? There it is. Which one I'm using this one. As you can probably see, my nose is bugging me. Since my young boy goes to school, of course, he goes to school with dirty, filthy other people's children. And I don't care for dirty, filthy other people's children. No, no, no. And what do? They bring their filth to school. It's true. So, yeah, I end up getting sick. So do the rest of us. Da-da-da. I think it does the wedding one next, which is... No. But it does the one that they always play at weddings. The yeah, that one. My wife and I, we got married at a state park by the water. And it was nice. And we had a barbecue and a big old cake, and it was outdoors. It was rad. And this egg looks like a hot mess. Oh boy. Okay, egg, here we go. It's gonna be a rough ride for you. This is serious business. Yes. Now, the issue here is that the egg yolk is all the way at the bottom. So I'm like, hopeful that this is going to work out for me. Well, first I need the scissors. I need the scissors. Scissors. Come on. Do you do this? I do this all the time. They're probably like right here? There they are. But yeah, you have something and like 5 seconds later, where'd it go? What'd I do that for? Stay in there. Oh, hot mess egg. Well. And I'm just waiting for somebody to go, but that egg though, you know. Oh well. Not much I can do at this point. Well, yeah. You know what would probably be good is if I tasted it. Shoyu. Kind of a bitterish shoyu. Here's some noodle action. Salty. There's that stupid wedding song. We didn't have that. Did we even have music? We might have. It sounds like a funeral, dude. Anyway, there you go. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And I'll see you as president in 2024. Have a good one.